Hey, I'm Candy Gang, welcome back. This has just gone live on our website. This is a Marc Jacobs Snapshot in black with this beautiful kind of glossy black hardware. The leather has itself got a bit of a sheen to it. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but it's absolutely beautiful and it's in beautiful, beautiful condition. It's got a long canvas strap which has got Marc Jacobs on it, if you can see that, which is adjustable and also removable. You can take that off, excuse me, and on the fastened you have got the Marc Jacobs on both of those as well. So on the back there is one little flat pocket, and then there is two sections, both with a zip pull. So the front one is in there like that, and then the back section has got a little flat pocket just in there. Okay, and of course you've got the feature on the front. Size-wise, the measurements are on the website, but to give you an idea, I'll pop it on so you can see. As I said, this is adjustable. So you can have this longer or shorter. Of course, you can take it off, just have it as a little sort of handheld bag, or wear it as a shoulder. It also comes with Marc Jacobs dust bag, and I'll show you the condition. Remember, if you're a bag lover, then you need to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell, and get signed up. So condition is very good condition throughout. The exterior is in very good condition. The hardware is in very good condition. And the interior is in very good condition. It's basically nothing for me to point out and show you. It is just quite simply a gorgeous, gorgeous bag, becoming very much an iconic piece of Marc Jacobs. So there is a link to shop this bag. If you go to my comments below the video, hit that link and it will take you to the website where you go to the bag. And also you're able to see all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets, are all on there. Remember to sign up to the newsletter, because then we will send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. So you do that on the website. So go to my comments below, hit the link, go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page and there's a little sort of white box. Pop your email address in there and we'll send you your discount code. It should come through immediately. So if you haven't had it in 60 seconds, check your spam folder. Okay. Before you go and do that, obviously remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. But then go and hit that link, check this out, and we will see you later for some more gorgeous arm candy.